As you should know, because I showed this in another video, this is the only vise I got. I made this thing in high school, so it's 40 years old, and I don't want to mount it to my table, and so every once in a while you need a vise. And so I was at Menards the other day with my daughter, and I found this 2 1/4 inch clamp on bench vise. And so even though it's small, I think it'll work for what I need with clocks. And if I need a bigger vise, I could always go back to that vise and mount it somewhere. So like I said, I paid like $12 for this thing. It's made by Tool Shop. Let me clamp it to my table real fast. You unscrew this part right here, and you clamp it to wherever you want to clamp it. So stand by. There I have it clamped to my table, and I got this block in. I'm putting quite a bit of pressure on it, and it's holding it. So I think it'll work well for repairing clocks. Every once in a while you need a vise to, well, some people use vise to close the caps on barrel I can't think. On the springs that fit into a barrel, they got the cap. Some people use a vise to close the cap. Now, of course, you'd want to put some rubber or something on here, maybe a block of wood, to prevent you from marring up the end of your cap or whatever you're going to use. I wouldn't suggest putting this on a piece of brass without putting some kind of protective device on here. Anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And leave me some comments. And may God bless each and every one of you.